Let's see if the Peters Paintmobile got ready in time for running of the tubs.
You gotta come and see this, guys. It's amazing. It's an amazing tub. Let's go. Come on, let me show you.
All right.
I'm excited about this, fellas. All right, ready? You ready for this? Introducing the Peters 2018 Bathtub Racer.
I don't know, Johan.
I showed that Bathtub Racer to Sky this morning, and gosh, her reaction was not what I expected.
Johan!
Yeah?
You told me we were getting a racer. That's not a racer, that's a piece of junk.
What are you talking about? That's fine. I mean, have you never seen Chitty Chitty Bang Bang? We'll make it work.
We'll glide on our motor trip
with pride in our relationship, free and bliss
of all we survey.
Oh, chitty, bang, bang, chitty, bang, bang, we love you. And chitty,
Chitty bang bang, chitty bang bang, what will it do?
we have chitty for chitty in a motor car. Oh, what a happy time we spend.
Bang bang, chitty bang bang,
I'll find for fender friend. Bang, bang, chitty,
bang bang,
I'll find for fender
chitty bang bang, chitty bang bang, fine for fender, chitty friend.
Make sure you're downtown June 2nd, 9 a.m. for the Stuart Pennington running of the tubs. There's free events going on all day down at Hill Wheatley Plaza. And it's going to be a great time for everyone. Make sure you bring some water balloons.